Esa es la entradita de mi casa.
This Miami resident says her landlord threatened to cut off her electricity and water and sabotaged her air conditioning because she couldn't pay her rent after losing her job.
Hello.
Buenas tardes.
We spoke to her over the phone as, for legal reasons, she didn't want to identify herself.
Nunca había vivido.
I've never been through something like this in all my years in this country. I've been in this country for 30 years. I'm an American citizen. I've never been through anything like this.
La verdad que nunca había vivido esto.
The new order from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention is designed to protect people like her, who can prove they can't pay their rent due to the pandemic. It comes on top of a statewide moratorium on evictions imposed by Florida's Governor Ron DeSantis earlier this year, and now extended until the 1st of October. Attorneys in Miami, though, say some landlords will still try to push out tenants who can't pay up.
Some landlords have even, tried to work around and tried to find ways to file evictions where, they file evictions based upon bogus allegations of lease violations, termination of month-to-month tenancies. Just all these different actions are being taken, and the only people that are being unfairly impacted are the tenants.
The economic downturn in the US has hit the Latino community harder than others, with unemployment rates soaring and many unable to pay their rent. Researchers in California found that Black and Latino workers in their state are more than twice as likely to experience what they call rent-related hardships.
Even before the pandemic, many of them were about one paycheck away from not being able to pay for shelter. And with the pandemic and the loss of income, that just pushes them over the edge. And they have to make decisions between, for example, paying the rent or paying for food.
Democrats and Republicans have so far failed to agree on a new coronavirus relief bill in the US Congress. Without further action by state and federal governments, millions of tenants will lose their housing protection in January. Months of back rent will come due, and without means to pay it, evictions will no doubt soar.